Otukuyur bang. Are you tired of making a trip and paying a money to go to a salon just to have your bank Q? Well start saving money no be cutting your bank yourself. Wet you your blanc or tout seed, sharing your own lucky en hésite ask ta you should intimidated be. Par your air. Tac affine toute comban brush your air until it is smooth en angle free. For seed bang, you will need to create a seed par. Par your air toute seed it naturally fallon. Puller forward. Taking at type of a comb, draw a par en un short ou ben your air line, perpendicular to your seed par. Inotevor, from seed to seed, rotate front to back, if you are looking for ticker bang, you can draw a par far te back. T will help separate your bang from the rest of your hair. Faintest type of your eyebrow. T generally toward santé of your eyebrow, or T light of the brow, and it will help you go jet bit of your bang. If you are starting off with a bang from scratch, measure a line bar from the tip of your eyebrow to your hairline. Macaparo urtalinan. Move the hair on a side of the part over the middle of your forehead and paint hair on the side of your head back to keep it out of the way. After you have done this step, you should now have a section of hair in the front center of your face tie separated from the rest of your hair. If you already have a bang, you should have a it already determined, so that your pre-existing longe bang en part them toward the middle, also separating them from the hairline. You can also create with a bang by making a line ubar from the top of your eyebrow instead of the light of your brow. Pull your bang up and look at them from the side. They should be above to 2 inch thick. If you want thicker bang, pull more hair forward from the horizontal par blanc your hairline, and if you want in a bang, don't opposite be pulling les hair forward from your hairline par. Pin back the rest of your hair. Pull back the rest of your hair with a clip or bobby pin to separate it from your bang. T will make it easy to cut your bang with worrying about cutting the rest of your hair. Make sure your bang are straight. Tima require you to dampen your hair with a spray bottle if your hair is naturally curly and your bang have some bounce. Lightly mist your hair with a spray bottle en contrug so that your bang are flat. If your hair is naturally wavy or straight, cutting bang in dry hair is best so that you on cut them too short. Neve so at your bang or make them completely wet. Your hair is longe when it is wet, so when it is wet hair, when it dry it will be shorty. To avoid cutting bang that are too short, try to cut your bang with slightly wet or dry hair. If your hair is very wet before you cut your bang, blow dry them until they are 95% dry. When blow drying, make sure you are brushing bang straight down, or in the opposite direction of your par. Don't blow dry bang downward in the direction they normally would lie. T will create rainbow effect in which your bang have a garch to them. It difficult to cut bang when they are lickety, so it better to create some volume in the opposite direction. Determine the length of your bang. Before you cut your bang you'll want to decide how long you want your bang. You may want bang to cover your eye, or you might want bang to start above your eyebrow. If you're not sure, you can always start with longe bang and cut them shorty. Q à angle. To achieve seed swept bang, you'll want to start at the side of your bang that will fall in the middle of your forehead, the side of your bang or your parry. Point your scissor diagonally over your hair, with the shortest part of your bang in the middle of your face and the longest part next to your hair. Hold your bang between your pointer and middle finger to create a line. Starting on the par side of your face, cutter below your finger. If you are sure how long you want your bang, start by cutting at the tip of your nose and in a diagonal at the bottom of your hair. T will create a long, side swept bang. Make sure you are using a scissor specifically designed for hair, at it will give you the best cut. If you want short bang, start near the top of the nose, in line with the en QA à de noir diagonale tovart middle of your ear. Alvecu bang longer when you star off, you can alvecu tem short et you go, be you don't want your first Q2 but short, because turn wet or in from turn. You can tricutin in un deux increment to make sur you don't cut or mush off your bang off. Create a natural look. After you have your bang you may notice that tree a very straight line in your bang. Titan to look au quarant u natural, so you may want to give your bang a little de finition. Tac si sort Q parallel tout strand offer in your bang, making small snips at tip of your bang. If your reality or you want your bang to have an even more natural look, you can use a razor made for or a hair thinning tool tout un out temps of your bang. Still your bang. Use a blow dry en around brush, brushing your bang up from the root toward sailing or toward back of your head. You never want to blow dry your bang by brushing them straight down at you will leave your bang with little volume. You can also run a flat iron through your bang by pulling at flat iron over your root to create volume. You can also blow dry your bang in opposite direction of earth naturally fall to give them more volume. At they are close to bang dry, flip them back over and blow dry a usual point par your hair, creating a triangle in your root. Because your bang will be straight across, you on need to par your hair to one side you usually do. Tac a comb en place to tip of it en un short wow above your hairline, in the center of your head. Then, draw a de noir diagonal line from the center of your head tout en of your eyebrow, en repéa on note side. Pull your bang section toward middle to separate it from the rest of your hair. After you've done it, you should have a triangle like shape with the point a fait un shape of your hairline on the side of the triangle coming down along the side of your forehead. Once you've created a par, you'll want to comb your bang forward and paint the rest of your hair back or put it in a ponytail to keep it out of your face. Dampen your hair if necessary. If it is your first time cutting your bang, it might be a good idea to keep your hair dry so you can cut it exactly the you want it, but if you are just trimming your bang, it could be good to spread some water on them so your hair is going in the right direction and lying flat on your forehead. You can also try using a flat iron on your bang to make them straight. Important a your bang don't have you have to them, because you want to be able to jet them even possible on your forehead. Determine the length angle of your bang. Straight bang can come in all different style, so you'll want to figure out exactly how you want them to look before you cut them. Some people like their bang to go straight across their forehead above their eyebrow for an edgy look, en hauteur like longer bang angle down at them with the rest of their hair. Begin cutting your bang. Taking at hair you've got red between your pointed finger and middle finger, create a straight line tie even with the tip of your nose. Your bang will now en up till long, at you'll cover your eye, but you will be a good starting point so you don't have to make a perfect cure right away. Cutter below your finger. You can also use tape to create a straight Q. Place a piece of tape along your bang, en Q a straight line below tape at the desired length for your bang. Continue to cut your bang in a 4-inch increment until they are your desired length. If your bang are wet make sure you leave a 2-inch extra length on them, because when they dry they will shrink up. If you want to angle your bang de noir at an, cut straight across from the middle of an eye to the middle of the opposite eye. Then, once you've reached a point, begin to cut a de noir angle. Ten repea on tote eye, cutting a de noir angle until you've reached rest of your hair. You can cut a very steep angle, or you can cut a slight angle in your hair, it all depends on how dramatic you want the diagonal of your bang to be. Some team help to take your bang and twist them once in your finger, and then cut a straight line. Ti juste push the hair tight et te jeter, so you can just make on or two cut. It also create a small arch in your bang, making them short int from en longère on te seed. Even out your bang. Once you have your bang at desired length, you'll want to make them look more natural, unless you are going for blind bang, in which case you may want a very straight line across your bang. Take your scissors and make small snips at the tip of your bang, making sure the scissors are parallel to the strand in your hair. Still your bang. Straight bang usually need more attention, so you may have to straighten them or blow dry them every time you still your hair. If using a blow dryer, grab a round brush and pull bang from underneath, up at the root toward the ceiling. Then, on sort twist pull your round brush underneath your bang, from the root of your bang to tip, in an arching motion to create volume. You can also do the same motion with a flat iron.